Namaste to everyone. Welcome to my new channel Srinivas Balaraju, which is also my name. I've been a teacher and a career counseling specialist from past 10 years. This is my new platform where I'll be adding value-based personality development videos and also I'll be writing some blogs. I intend to add some good values in youth of India. The values could be from any source. It could be a story, it could be a historical event, it could be a new skill which we have to develop, it could be new career opportunity, it also could be a movie review where I will choose any movie which really has a huge value stored in it. And even this video is actually a movie which is made on a legend of India. So this platform I have made for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, and also I'll be doing some podcast. Even this review which I've made, it is a podcast and I've converted that into a video presentation. I hope you'll watch this till the end, and I assure you that this movie, the review which I've done, is really a gem of a movie. Please watch the video till the end. Thank you. Namaste to everyone. In this lockdown period, I would recommend everyone to watch this movie. You may ask me why. I will describe you the movie and slowly you shall understand what the movie is about. It has great story, great acting, great direction and great ratings on the internet. It has won 3 national awards, which includes Best Actor, Best Director and Best Movie. So by this you can understand that this is a gem of a movie. The movie is freely available on YouTube in Hindi and English version. The link of the movie is there in the description. The movie is originally made in English and then it is dubbed in Hindi too. My name is Srinivas and I welcome you to my channel Srinivas Balaraju. I have made this podcast to empower youths with right values for life. I shall also convert this podcast into videos for YouTube and other social media platform. Coming to the movie, it is directed by Jabbar Patel and it is produced by various departments of Government of India. It has brilliant acting performance by Mr. Mammootty, who is a superstar of Malayalam film industry. And it has great performance in supporting role by Sonali Kulkarni. The movie is based on the legend of India. It is on the personality who has seen rejections and pains in every step of his life. He has lived his entire life in poverty, faced discrimination in his college days, school days, for basic needs like water, entry in the temple, ride on the cart. I also remember a scene of the movie where he goes for a haircut to a barber. The barber was cutting the hair of a buffalo. The barber says to Ambedkar that I shall not cut your hair. I shall cut the hair of buffalo, donkeys and even dogs, and you are cheaper than them. If I cut your hair, I will become impure. You can just imagine how hopeless the life was. He lived a life full of guilt for being born in a wrong place. Still, he becomes one of the highest qualified persons in the world. He becomes the first Law Minister of India and the man who gave us the Constitution of India, by which we live in the principle of the people, by the people and for the people. The name of the movie is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. It is a tribute to the legend Mr. Ambedkar. The movie will inspire you, motivate you, will make you cry, will make you think, will showcase you the truth. It will show you the pain and also the gain. It will make you disciplined. It will teach you to never give up in your life. It will also train you the right leadership skills and so much more. The movie majorly is divided into 2 segments. Segment 1 is full of helpless situation which Dr. Ambedkar faces in his life for untouchability. Segment 2 is fight against all the freedom fighters and Britishers to get the equality status for Dalits. The movie starts with the present situation in India. It shows how things have not changed, though there is a strong law against untouchability. People always speak on Swaraj, which was the struggle for freedom. But there was another struggle for survival with basic needs in their own country. And this was equally important. Ambedkar says strongly that the freedom fighters have inconsistent attitude towards untouchables. They want freedom for themselves, but never want us to be freed. They always want us to be their slaves. He respected Gandhi, but never considered him as a Mahatma. The movie has great scenes of Ambedkar in conversation with Lala Lajpat Rai, Gandhi and Nehru. The title of the movie says, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, The Untold Story. Yes, there are many things which I came to know by this movie. There are some bold scenes of Dr. Ambedkar with Britishers in London, where he proves that Indian rupee is degraded with time with the rules of British in India. In his entire life, he was humiliated by the upper caste of Hindus, for which he was forced to give the statement that he was born Hindu but shall never die as Hindu. Such a shame on the society, I feel. Many Hindu gurus convinced him not to leave as it will be great loss to the Hindu community, for which Dr. Ambedkar says, "You have always considered me as impure, and I living should make you more pure." Other religious people also approach him, the Christians and the Muslims. They said, "Join us, we shall give you the highest respect." He rejects them too. Dr. Ambedkar was the greatest scholar. He had studied religion for 21 years and had great command on all the subjects. He finally chose Buddhism as his religion for life and ended his life being a preacher of Buddha. He believed Buddhism is the only religion that preaches three principles of knowledge, compassion, and equality. Buddhism is the answer to the exploitation of the world, he said. I have personally seen people cursing Dr. Ambedkar, especially by today's young generation. They feel that reservation system is because of him and it is unfair with all the citizens of India. But only few people understand that Dr. Ambedkar never wanted a separate status. He wanted everything to be run on merit base. But the society never allowed him or his community to run a fair race. Great movie made as a tribute to the legend. I have made this channel to impart value and help the youth develop their personality. I feel this is the best way I could start my journey by giving tribute to the great personality of India, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Please comment your views after you watch the movie. Or if you have already watched the movie, please write your reviews in the comment section. I have written a detailed analysis of the movie in my blog. The description of the blog is there in the description section. I also request everyone to comment on the present situation of India. You can comment what is the situation at your place. Is the untouchability completely gone at your place? I request everyone to subscribe my channel to get value-based personality development videos and podcasts. Hit the bell icon if you are watching it on YouTube to get the notifications when I upload. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.